how to make a Lego toy. Any type of these colors will work. Start out with 4 of these. Then get a rocket launcher piece. Take that. One of these pieces. Put it on the side. Take one of these pieces. Put it on the very top so it looks like this. Take one of these pieces. Put it on like that. Take one of these pieces and one of these pieces. Put them together like this. Sort of like that. Take one of these pieces. Take one of these pieces. Put them on the thing, this. Put it completely all the way back so it looks like this. Take this and put it on this so it looks like that. Then put it on anything else like that.